Hi everyone, welcome to Zipmex. My name is Nicholas and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the transaction page. So let me start from the top. Open orders. So what is an open orders? In a previous video, I showed you guys regarding limit order. So limit order is where you can set a price that you wish to buy or sell at. So once you have did out this limit order, you can come over to the transaction tab and to the open order tab, you'll be able to see all the previous limit order that you have done out. So over here, take a look. This is the date that I did out this limit order, the pairing name, the type, buy or sell, the price that I wish to buy at, total amount, fees, and the amount received. Right, as you guys can see that the fees here is blank, which means that we don't charge any fees. So over at the top, you can see the date range, coin, and type. So you guys can select the month that you wish to check to see whether you have any open order left, right? The coin type and buy or sell, right? Over here, you can clear the filter. You can export all the data out for consolidation, and as well as you can cancel all the limit order that you have previously done. Okay, so let me move on to the order history. So this is the order history, right? This is similar to open orders. It's just that it means that all your orders has been filled or executed. So it'll be appearing over here at the order history. So I will not explain much because it's similar to the open orders, right? You guys can come in and take a look and play around. As for withdrawal, these are all the withdrawal that you have done out on Zipmex, right? So for example, Thai baht, Ethereum, USDT, Bitcoin. So let me show you guys how to do a check. So once a cryptocurrency is successfully transferred, you can copy the transaction hash, for example, Ethereum, and you can go to etherscan.io and you can paste the transaction hash over here. Okay, and you can see this is the status. The status shows success, which means that your Ethereum is successfully transferred out of Zipmex. Okay, so you can check for the rest as well. Okay, let's move on to deposit. So deposit is all the deposit that you have done on Zipmex is similar to withdrawal. So yeah, you can just take a look at all the previous deposit that you have done out here. As for transfer, I will share with you guys more regarding this section in other video. So today, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.